Hi, welcome to my channel. Um, this video is about what I'm doing when I'm sick, when I'm not feeling good. I need rest from everything. Then, yeah, sometimes I'm playing that game, Medieval Dynasty. When I'm playing, I'm like relaxed, not doing anything else, not thinking about everything else. You know, sometimes we need to switch off our mind, you know. And on this small video, you can see how I'm built some basic house for that village. House, they're very easy to build. Need to find some materials and build it. Now I'm getting some building materials because I'm not enough. Probably all the time when you're gonna play this game, you're gonna not enough some materials. This is the reason why I'm building that houses so many and taking more people, more workers to do that job to get some materials because you can use that one what they are get. And I'm very happy you watched this video, you like, I hope so, you like. And please follow, subscribe. When you need to build something, you always need to take in hands that hammer. When you are a beginner, you're gonna be that wood hammer. After you grow, your village gonna grow and you can do metal. I still not enough some materials, I need to pick them up. Build that house, it's easy. Now I start to build already walls. Um, you need some wood, some sticks, and yeah, nothing else, it's really easy to build this house. finally this house is almost ready. Few things and it's done. If you wanna know something else about this game, please write in the comments. Then, next time, I'm gonna show you that information, that other video about that what you wanna know. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.